Here is an extension to the previous question. I am Anil Kumar and here is question number 7. For sine theta equals to minus 12 over 13, where theta is between 0 to 360 degrees, draw a sketch of theta and determine principal angle theta. So in this particular case, we have to find the angle. What we are given is that the sine theta value is minus 12 over 3. Now sine is negative, means you could be in quadrant 3 or in quadrant 4, right? So if you are in quadrant 3, so the triangle will be kind of like this. And if you are in quadrant 4, the triangle will be kind of like this. Theta, which we are talking about, is basically angle from positive x-axis. So in one case, it is this angle, right? And in the other case, it is this angle. So these are two different values of theta which we are looking into. For both, value of sine theta is minus 12 over 3. In both the cases, sine theta is minus 12 over 13. Can you justify it? Well, minus 12 means this is negative, right? So that is minus 12. That is to say y value is minus 12, right? Y value is minus 12. That is what it is. And 13 is hypotenuse. So this value is 13. That is what it means, right? So there are two different cases. Based on this, we have two different values of theta. To find theta, what should we do? Well, steps are, step number 1. Step number 1 is, from the sine, which we know for the trigonometric ratio, you figure out quadrants. From the sine, find quadrants. In our case, we found that the quadrants are quadrants 3 and quadrant 4, right? So these are two different quadrants from the sine. Now the next step is to find related acute angle. Now what is that? That is, imagine that the sine value given to is positive and theta is acute angle. That means it is in quadrant 1, right? So we'll say sine alpha is equals to 12 over 13, and from here we can say alpha is equals to sine inverse of 12 over 13, right? So let's find the acute angle alpha using calculator, right? So we get alpha equals to second function sine inverse 12 divided by 13. That gives you 67.38. So that is equals to 67.38. So that is your angle alpha, right? So let us just round it to one decimal place. We get 67.4 degrees as our angle for alpha. This is acute angle. But the angle given to us is, so alpha is this angle. Acute angle means angle with the horizontal, right? So this is alpha, right? But what is theta? Theta is 180 plus alpha. In the first case, we say theta 1 is 180 degrees plus alpha, which is here, right? And the other theta is 360 minus alpha, right? That much. 360 minus alpha is the other angle. So the theta 2 is 360 degrees minus alpha. We can calculate both, get the answer. 180 degrees plus alpha is 67.4. So we can add 67.4 with 180 degrees, so plus 180. So we get 247.4. So one of the angles is 247.4 degrees approximately. The other one is 360 minus 67.4. So we'll do 360 minus 67.4, which is 292.6. So what I did was 360 minus 67.4, which is 292.6 degrees. So these are the two different principal angles, which we are going to get in this particular case. So remember, if your theta is between 0 to 360 degrees, there are two quadrants in which sine theta could be negative. Based on that, theta value will have two values. So one is 247, which is in quadrant 3, and the other one is 292.6, which is in quadrant 4. So that is kind of important to understand. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.